I'm just gonna show you what it looks like, the speeds, and how to do it. My cat is back there. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tori Terrace, and today I wanted to talk about the Braun Silk Epilator 9. So I have struggled a lot with shaving. I was basically just having to shave like every other day, and it was getting really annoying, and it just took a lot of time. I was still getting like stubble and things like that, like in such a fast amount of time. So I really wanted to try something different. I really wanted to talk about the benefits of this, and I did some research and wrote some notes down just to kind of go over some of the things that makes this product a little bit more special. This one has a 40% wider head, and so it's able to remove a lot more hairs in one, or in a stroke or so. So it makes the whole process a lot faster. It also came with this attachment where it has like these little massager pieces. So there's also some other attachments as well. I've used this one too, but to me, I feel like this one's a little bit less painful because it just feels like a different sensation when you have the rollers going against your skin with the epilation. It says that you can enjoy smooth skin for up to 4 weeks. So I believe that this kind of takes, I would say a couple weeks or so to kind of get your hair used to it. And your hair also grows in like cycles. So you might do it one day, and then in 2 days you'll have that new stubble that hasn't grown up yet, and so you want to remove that as well. So I think it's like just basically about getting your hair all removed during those cycles, and then you'll start to see that overall long-lasting smooth finish. So it's already, just like I said, making my legs way less prickly. I use it on my armpits as well, like just everywhere I can, because it is amazing. And for me, I'm very lazy, and I just want to have the easiest option. It is a little bit painful at first. The first time was the hardest because my hairs just weren't really like used to being removed that way. It's been like a couple years since I did the waxing. So some people recommend to do waxing first and then kind of just like clean it up with this in between. But for me, I took an Advil and just kind of went and took a bath and just soaked and let my skin just really get used to the sensation of it. And I did a little bit at a time. So overall, I'm seeing a huge difference, and I'm like lately it's been feeling more of just like a tingle, slight pinch sensation versus like, okay, plucking out some thicker hairs. So I'd say the pain gets better over time, and like if you can tolerate the pain, like you pretty much can have a wax like finish anytime, and you don't have to let your hair grow out to go get a wax again. So I just think that that's really cool about this. It's also cheaper than shaving. Like this can be like between $90 to $100, but if you think about it, you're not going over and over to the wax center month to month, which can cost, I think it was like $60 or more just to have areas waxed. I watched a lot of reviews and tutorials about it before I did it myself, because I did not want to accidentally do it wrong, or I didn't want it to be super painful. So I've done my arm before, but there's still like a little bit of like light hairs. I'm just gonna show you what it looks like, the speeds, and how to do it. My cat is back there. So always make sure you charge it first. Let it charge all the way. The charger comes with it, and it doesn't have to be plugged in. So that's another benefit. We have speed 1. Okay, it has a little light so you could see on your skin where you're going. And then there's speed 2. We're gonna press it flush against the skin like that. And basically what I do is I go in like a little area over and over and over, because it's not gonna grab every single hair at once. It's gonna grab like multiple hairs. It's getting the tiny hairs and everything. So I go in like an inch width, and then as I feel no more pinching, then I start to work my way up. Like, yeah, we have like a little bald patch here, but you can see it kind of just, it will pull the hair out. I have a hair just that got pulled out there. So I kind of like look at it in the light, and I can see where else I need to go. To me, it just feels like tiny pinches. I really like it a lot, and I've used it on my face. I've used it on my upper lip, and it felt like threading a little bit, but way faster and easier. I've used it on my armpits. So I'm gonna add the link to the product in the description if you guys wanna check it out and maybe read some more reviews. If anyone has any tips or anything, I think that those are so helpful for beginners and even myself. I always wanna learn new things. So yeah, thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope you can check this product out and see what you like about it for yourself.